Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to summarize with ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to condense or get a quick overview of a text or conversation, this technique is incredibly helpful. So, let's dive right in. Now, let's explore the steps to use the summarize with ChatGPT. First, you need to find or copy everything in an article or any type of conversation you want to summarize. For example, I want to summarize this sample article. Then, prompt the model with a request for a summary. For example, you can ask questions like, "Can you summarize the main points of this article?" Or, "What are the key ideas in the last paragraph?" Or for conversations, "Could you provide a summary of our conversation so far?" Then, paste the article you copied. And then let's try it. Once you've prompted the model, it goes to work. It analyzes the text or conversation and identifies the most important information. It then generates a summary that captures the key points while excluding minor details. Now comes the fun part. You receive the generated summary, which you can read, analyze, and understand. It presents the main concepts, essential ideas, or significant highlights of the original text or conversation. From this summarize to this. Using the summarize technique offers several benefits. Firstly, it saves you time by condensing lengthy texts or conversations into manageable summaries. Secondly, it helps you grasp the main ideas without being overwhelmed by excessive information. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on the how to summarize in ChatGPT. Remember, this technique can be a game changer when you need to quickly extract essential information. So give it a try, and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy summarizing with ChatGPT.